Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the red car with a key symbol on Nissan dashboard, what it means and how to actually fix this. Now usually this issue is caused by the immobilizer system malfunctioning on your Nissan, because the Nissan vehicles usually uses a chip that is embedded in your key to communicate with the car's computer. Okay, so when this communication fails, the system triggers this flashing red car with key icon, right? And these are actually the common causes. And the main one is usually battery related issues with the key fob, a damaged key transponder chip, failed immobilizer antenna ring, or ECU communication errors. So what you can usually do is do a solutions to fix this. You just insert the key into the ignition, you turn to the on position for about 5 seconds, and then you return to off position, and then you repeat the process 3 times and end it in the off position. Usually this fixes the issue. If it doesn't, you just replace the key fob battery, you clean the battery terminals, and then you just check for proper voltage and you reset the ECU by disconnecting the battery. Now after that, you will need to get a technician to do these professional repair options. They'll have to do a key programming or a component replacement. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.